Good morning, 8th grade. So this is your first day of CVA, Technology Education. We can go over a few things real quick on our main screen. So first up, we have the link to office hours. So 8 a.m. every Wednesday morning, I hold office hours. I'll also do it whenever you guys need to set up a different time, after school or maybe during lunch. I'm pretty flexible with getting onto Zoom. So that's the link there. So first we have our course overview. Run through this real quick. So, hello and welcome to Technology Education. The class is going to show you how to create 3D designs that can solve daily problems. We will be making various designs that can be created on 3D printers and laser engravers. I'm Mr. Guthrie. I'm going to be a teacher for this course. This is my second year teaching tech ed at Lamberton Middle School, and this is my first year doing all CVA courses. So if you need to contact me, the best way is to send me a message through Schoology or email Outlook right here. Just keep in mind I'm teaching during the day, so I can't always reply right away, but I'll always get back to you as soon as possible. So our course structure, how this course is going to work. So it's all over Schoology. Each week there's going to be a folder, and I'll explain that in the first day video. It's going to just have all your projects in it week by week, and then as the weeks go, I'll add more folders. That way you can get it done. I accept assignments. I always accept them. There is no cutoff point. No matter how late you turn it in, I will grade it. Let's see. So, yes. Okay. The big one here is Tinkercad. We use Tinkercad for everything in this class. It's how we do 3D designs for 3D printing. It's how we do engravings on wood and laser cutting. So you want to download that app right away, and there's another folder in here that shows you how to log in. You're going to need your the class code, which I have all over Schoology, and you're going to need your first name as it is spelled in Schoology. So my name is Steven, so my username or my nickname in Tinkercad would be Steven. Also, if there's ever a point where the app isn't working, it sometimes does crash, you can also go to the website tinkercad.com. If you have a desktop computer, it works very well. iPads, it can be a little glitchy, but if it ever goes down, that's another option you can do. And it's the same process to log in. So this course will have assignments designed to teach you how to use Tinkercad to create 3D models. These models can be used to 3D print objects, laser cut wood, engrave onto wood. Assignments will show you how to create designs. Projects are completed correctly, I will 3D print them for you. These projects will have specific instructions along with examples. Each assignment will have a corresponding assessment in Schoology. The assessments can be completed for students to receive any credit. You got to get the assignments in by Sunday of each week to get full credit. Big one with that. So I've got like all the 7th grade projects right here. So I actively print all your designs as you make them. These have to be accurate. I'll fix little mistakes as I find them, but if there are big problems, I'll let you know what you need to fix. Mainly, if you do not label your files, and I'll go over that in the first day video, if you don't label files, I'm not going to print your stuff, just because it's such a headache for me. So always make sure you are titling your file names. That way I know whose things is what. We'll get to that in the videos ahead. So here's just our pacing guide. So we have day 1, welcome to Tinkercad. You're going to do that today. Basically, you're going to sign in, and just start understanding how it all works. Then I have all these projects, so 2 projects per week. I feel like 2 projects per week is enough to give you guys enough time to get everything done well and create good designs. So you could get all your projects done on a Monday or on a Friday, whenever you all. I can't imagine what your workload is with other online courses, so this is kind of a light list. So you have everything right here. So just some expectations. Complete your work. Be polite and patient with your communications. Like I said, I'll email back as soon as I can. I'll grade everything as quickly as I can. Make sure you read and follow all directions for each assignment. So before you start emailing me for help, make sure you at least read the directions, because half the time all I need to say is read the directions, and it's self-explanatory. But don't never be afraid to email me, though. Create your own unique projects. Do not copy or steal other designs. So don't just take things from the internet and put it in Tinkercad and say you did it. You can, take inspiration from things you'll find online. If you type in 3D printing, you'll find all kinds of stuff. But just make your own designs. Ask questions if you need help. This is just all the technology stuff you guys know from all your other courses. So that is the course overview. Other things, so we have the communication plan, email is my office and my extension number. Office hours Wednesdays 8 a.m. in the morning. I'll try to give each week. I'll give you guys a weekly update with how everything's going and how your projects are coming. And they're just an awful picture of myself. And then we have Tinkercad sign-in, which this is everywhere. Yep, that's the right one. So this is your code to get in Tinkercad. If you randomly, it's going to the app will log you out without you knowing. So you have to get back in. So the code is always here on the main page, as well as the other videos as well. So you can always find it here and get back in. Particularly over the weekend, it seems to log people out. But as I'm going to say a bunch of times, your nickname to log in. No, yeah, here's your nickname is your first name. If that doesn't work, use your last name. This class, I don't need to do that. Your nickname is going to be whatever your first name that is listed in Schoology. And that's about it for this video. Like I said, if you have any questions, concerns, email me right away. The hardest part for everybody is always the first time logging into Tinkercad. So make sure you watch the videos in these pages here, because it shows you all the common mistakes kids make. But that's it for this video. I can't wait to see what all you guys are going to make. Have a great weekend.